principles and relationships to make connections and navigate through their understanding of natural phenomena. If an idea... Greetings from Ohio. I'm Gloria Gajewicz. I've been teaching for over 20 years and have been utilizing modeling instruction pedagogy in my classroom since 2011. And I will be teaching chemistry and AP chemistry this fall at Ottawa Hills High School in Toledo, Ohio, and biology at Lourdes University in Sylvania. I would like to share a resource with you that I have found very valuable called ranking tasks. I was originally introduced to these ranking tasks when somebody recommended that I take a look at a book called Tippers, which is sense-making tasks for introductory physics. These ranking tasks require students to compare different variations of a situation and rank them based on some kind of property of that particular situation. Students must determine the relationship among the items and evaluate how they will rank them, or even determine if they were equal to one another. Then students have to explain why they rank the ideas the way they have. And I have 4 different examples that I'd like to share with you that I have utilized in my different courses that I have taught over the years. One of the ranking tasks that I'm going to share with you requires that students in chemistry rank different amounts of pressure that are in different units from least to greatest. And that's going to, of course, require students to do some conversion first. And then they have to show their understanding of the different units of pressure. I've also utilized these ranking tasks in biology. Another example that I have to share with you is the students have to take a look at pictures of the cell and evaluate the different stages of meiosis and then place them in the correct order. In physical science, I've had students work with ranking tasks to determine their understanding of weight using different values such as mass on the moon, or grams on Earth, or force in newtons. To practice balancing equations, I've also had students complete a coefficient ranking task so that they can determine the order of magnitude of the different coefficients. For example, in this example, oxygen. I really like ranking tasks because students have to make sense of the information given, not just give answers. Students must develop an understanding of science concepts, principles, and relationships to make connections and navigate through their understanding of natural phenomena. If an idea does not make sense, students will find it harder to remember and put those ideas into practice. If you would like to share some of your ideas for ranking tasks or how maybe you use them in your classes, please follow me on Twitter at @Gajewicz. I would love to hear from you. Model on. I attended the leadership training with Dr. Colleen McGowan-Romanowitz in 2017 and have been leading workshops in Ohio, Texas, and online since then. Dr. McGowan-Romanowitz served on my dissertation committee as I studied the impact of modeling instruction on content knowledge, self-efficacy, and outcome expectancy for my doctoral degree in 2019. Modeling instruction professional development has an opportunity to not only improve content knowledge, but also self-efficacy and outcome expectancy of in-service teachers, especially those that are not in teaching in alignment with their content area. I found that women taking physical science modeling instruction workshops with a bachelor's degree and fewer years of experience showed greater growth in content knowledge and self-efficacy scores than other workshop participants. I would love to see our membership grow so that we can bring modeling instruction to more students and ultimately improve their achievement.